Hello, my name is Nicholas Stad and I'm with Monrovia. Today we're going to talk about how to grow an apple tree in your front yard. Being successful with fruit trees in your garden is really easy. The apple tree I'm with today is a Yellow Delicious, fabulous summertime apple for many regions in the United States. You've got to have full sun and you keep your tree nicely open when you're pruning. Take off any cross branches. That sun will penetrate in and all the fruit will be ripe. You've got to have good organic soil, and once a year make sure that you dress your tree around the base, around the roots, around the stem with organic mulch. When these trees start producing their fruit, they're going to take up a lot of food from the soil. So slow release fertilizer is an absolute must. Work that into the soil with the mulch. Watering is absolutely key. Interestingly enough, apples become very drought tolerant, but regular watering ensures a great crop. If you don't have water actually to the plant through drip irrigation or a sprinkler, you can drag a hose over there. Leave the hose on a trickle. They love a long, deep soaking. These trees are really easy to look after and they will be very rewarding if you follow those few basic steps.